Come to lie on your back. Bring the soles of the feet together and let the knees open wide, finding a reclined butterfly. Bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly, and just begin to breathe. Take a deep inhale and exhale, and a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and one more here. Inhale and exhale. Bring the knees together and plant both feet on the mat. Root through the L's of your hands. Tuck your toes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Lift hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Push the mat away. Let your side body stretch. Inhale. Let the heart soften towards the toes. Exhale. Send your tailbone high to the sky. Inhale. Soften ankles down. Exhale. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Slowly walk your feet to your hands. Inhale. Half lift. Firm your hands into your shins or the floor. Long spine. Exhale to fold. Urdhva. Inhale as you reach your arms tall. Soften your shoulders down your back. Exhale and swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, left foot back, low lunge. Push through hands and inhale. Exhale, step the foot back, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward to plank, shoulders over wrists. Exhale, slowly lower down to your belly. Inhale, cobra. Lift the chest as you pull the mat back. Exhale, lower back down, chest to mat. Plant your hands on the mat under your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, back to down dog. Push through your hands and send the tail high. Slowly make your way to the top of your mat. Inhale and lift halfway up. Exhale and fold. Inhale, circle sweep arms to sky, Urdhva. Exhale and spill over your legs. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale and step your right foot back to a low lunge. Inhale here. Exhale, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up and back, three-legged dog. Keep the toes pointing down. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot between your palms. Inhale, high lunge. Sweep the arms overhead. Deepen the lunge. Exhale. Rotate the palms to face each other. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Back heel to floor. Arms out wide. Slide the right knee slightly to the right. Feel the stretch in your inner hips. Inhale. Relax the shoulders down. Exhale. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Right arm to sky. Breathe into the side body. Left hand slides down the back leg. Exhale. Breathe into the side body. Inhale. Exhale, extended side angle. Tilt forward and place your right elbow on your right thigh. Inhale as you sweep your left arm to your left ear. Deepen the lunge. Exhale. Rotate your chest up to the sky. Turn your gaze up to the sky. Inhale. Feel the heat build in your legs as you breathe out. Keep rotating the chest up. Breathe in. Deep breath out. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Right arm to sky. Just one breath here. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill the hands down to frame the front foot. Push through your hands. Inhale. Exhale, step the foot back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward. Plank. Push through the hands to round the upper back. Exhale, chaturanga. Lower halfway down. Elbows go straight back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Flip the feet and roll the shoulders back. Exhale, down dog. Lift up from the core. Inhale, left leg to sky. Three-legged dog. Exhale, low lunge. Step the foot forward. Keep the back leg engaged. Straighten the back knee. Inhale, high lunge. Arms to the sky. Relax the shoulders down. Exhale. Square the hips to the front. Left hip pulls back. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Seal the back foot down. Arms to a T. Stretch the fingertips away from each other. Stretch through the fingertips. Inhale. And another breath out. Lower the shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Reach tall. Slide the right hand farther down toward the floor. Exhale. Reach tall. Breath in. Exhale, extended side angle. Keep your spine long as you tilt your torso forward. Right arm to ear. Inhale. Deepen into the lunge. Exhale. Rotate your chest to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the heat build in the front thigh. Rotate the chest. Inhale. Deep breath out. Peaceful warrior. Left arm to sky. One breath in. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill the hands down. Engage your core. Inhale. Exhale, step back. Downward facing dog. Walk your feet slowly to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift up. Exhale, fold. Urdhva. Inhale as you reach your arms tall. Soften your shoulders down your back. Exhale, Tadasana. Hands by the hips. Tree pose. Shift the weight into the right foot and connect the left foot with your right ankle, calf or inner thigh. Inhale as you bring the hands together at the heart. Find some ease on the breath out. Inhale, open the heart, shoulders down. Let the breath go and soften the shoulders away from the ears. Breathe in, energy through the crown of the head. Tadasana. Exhale, return the foot to the mat, feet parallel. Second side, tree pose. Right foot to left inner thigh or shin. Hold steady, breath out. Firm the palms into one another, inhale. Breath out, strengthen the connection between the foot and the leg, press them into one another. Stand tall, shoulders align over hips, tailbone down, and inhale, lift through the crown of the head. Tadasana, exhale, lower the foot to the mat, stand tall. Inhale, circle sweep arms to sky. Soften your knees and spill forward. Inhale and lift halfway. Exhale, plant your palms and step back to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in here and breath out. Let your knees lower down and make your way onto your back. Bring your feet to the mat and let your knees point to the sky. Switch pose, root through your inner feet and lift your hips. Tail release, recline butterfly. Let the feet find each other and let the knees open wide. Bring your hands to your outer thighs and close your legs together. Then grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll along your spine. Then come all the way up to downward facing dog. Cross your shins, plant your hands, and send your hips up and back. Inhale, right leg to sky, three-legged dog. Exhale, lizard pose. Step your right foot to the outer edge of your right hand. Soften your back knee down and relax your torso. Soften the shoulders. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, and inhale, press through the hands. Exhale, down dog. Lift the front foot and step it back. Inhale, send the left foot up and away from you, three-legged dog. Exhale, lizard. Step your left foot to the outside edge of your left hand and soften the back knee down. Feel the right hip flexor begin to lengthen. Breathe in. Come onto the ball of your back foot and raise your back knee. Exhale, down dog. Pluck the left foot off the ground and step it back. Take a breath in here. And exhale. Lower your knees down and then make your way onto your back. Plant your feet down and relax your shoulders. Roll both knees into your chest. Final breath in. And exhale, Shavasana. Lay the legs out long. Work the arms out to the sides. Just close your eyes and be still. become aware of your breath once more and gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Stay